3-bedroom hall kitchen apartment in Vile Parle East for just rupees 4 crores is what we are showing you today. Right now we are in Happy Home Society. It's a society which is just off Nehru Road. Nehru Road is one of the premium roads of Vile Parle East. You have the highway connectivity as well as the metro and the railway station connectivity very nearby. Let's have a look at the flat now. Coming on the 7th floor, this is the lobby area. You have practically one flat on this floor. Opposite side is the society office. So you can have your shoe racks and everything over here. Starting with the powder room. As you enter on the left hand side, you will find the powder room over here. Let's have a look at the living area. You see the ventilation, the windows. We are on the 7th floor right now. It's a 8-storied building. Amazing view, amazing ventilation. You have amazing breeze over here as well. We are on the 7th floor. As I said, we are in Vatsalya building. It's in Happy Home Society. Moving ahead, you see the C-shaped platform over here. This is the kitchen. Very nicely done by the owners. Starting with the first bedroom over here, you have the washroom attached to it. In this bedroom as well, they have made the wardrobes and everything as per their requirements. Very nicely done up. What you see is what you get over here. Coming to the washroom, this is the washroom over here. Now let's have a look at the second bedroom. The second bedroom is there on the left hand side over here. This doesn't have a washroom attached to it. And now moving to the third, the last but not the least bedroom. Yes, this also is the master bedroom. You have the washroom attached to it over here. The washroom is that side. From here also in this bedroom, you have an amazing view. Nice ventilation as well. Once again, we repeat, we are in Vile Parle East off Nehru Road. It's in Happy Home Society, 7th floor. You have one car parking as well. The pricing is 4 crores negotiable. Please do get in touch with us. Kalpesh Thakker from Jishnurealtorss.